Hello and welcome in this tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about a college help desk application for our college. We will walk you through the process of building our college help desk application for our college, and we are developing an application for Android platform. So let's get started. Because we are developing a native Android application, so in this project we are going to use the Java language, and side by side we design our layout part using XML code. So just to see this, here is the login activity where we use the Java code as the backend code, and here is the XML code for the layout part. Okay, so in this full project we are going to use Java and XML, and the third technology we are using is Firebase. This is the platform where we store the data of our application. Also we use the Firebase as our database. So by using Java, XML and Firebase, we are going to build our native application named MCAmateBot. Okay, now let's go through the feature part of the application. This includes features such as user registration, login, and some college related updates like all government and non-government exam update, college important notice update. Here we also provide previous year question papers. Also we provide department wise some PDF notes. Also there have a feature of important date update. Also we provide placement updates, and we are also providing job related updates throughout this application. And this is the IDE we are using, Android Studio. This is the code and code base MCAmateBot. Those concludes on building our MCAmateBot, which is our college help desk application. And because application development or Android app development is iterative process, so now we just developing the application, and after all we keep refining and enhancing our app based on user feedback. So that's all about our application. Let's see all of you guys soon, and thank you.